good morning. My name is Melissa and welcome to my Living Alone Diaries. It's Saturday today and Mikey and I are going somewhere I've always wanted to go to. I'm usually not an early riser pero I have to wake up early today kasi yung pupuntahan namin is only open on mornings. Best believe after ko i-shoot to, nagmadali na ako mag-shower and magayos. And we're here at Salcedo Weekend Market. We arrived past 10 a.m. na and super init na as expected. First thing we did was to buy flowers to achieve the Salcedo soft girly vibe. Pero gusto ko lang talaga ng flowers kasi mag-birthday na ako. So we found 2 stalls pero yung isa sold out na. I bought purple roses with baby's breath. After that, we bought an apple Danish. This was so good. We would definitely buy this again. Sobrang sarap. 10 out of 10. We bought lunch after that. So I tried the tofu pad thai. And Mikey found his new favorite cheesy beef burrito. So if you have been here, please leave food recommendations sa comments. Hi! So, galing akong grocery and let's do a mini haul. First, I got some brown rice kasi ubos na yung rice ko. Then, some onion and garlic. Wanted to try this, pero masyadong mahal yung malaki. So, kumuha muna ako maliit. It's Daily Fix Granola. Next, I have yogurt. 1 lang kasi napapansin ko pag marami akong binibili, hindi ko kinakain. Then, bell pepper. Maple syrup for my matcha. And gusto ko i-try itong baked crisps guava purple yum banana. I don't know kung sarap siya. Sana, because mahal. And then, my favorite, strawberry sour straws. And some chips. For ulam, I got tofu, of course, and pork chop. Yun lang. May isa pa akong haul na gusto gawin. Medyo matagal ko na siya nabili. Pero ngayon ko palang gagawin yung haul. First, we have ice box na soft yung bottom. So, kapag finreeze mo yung ice, mas madali kunin yung ice. Cute. 3 siya. Actually, yung isa nasa freezer ko na. Next, we have a ceramic coaster. Ayan. Bagay sa aesthetic. Next, tulip teaspoon. Cute siya. And a blender. Di ko alam kung maganda ba to. But binili ko siya kasi ang cute nung display. Maraming colors. Tapos syempre kinuha ko yung lilac. And then lastly, a mug. Sunny beach mug. Super cute. Bagay siya dito sa tulip teaspoon. Ang cute oh. Yay! Good morning, guys. So, today is Saturday, and nung birthday ko, I bought 2 blind boxes from Pop Mart. Binili ko siya sa Fully Booked. And let's open them. Okay, so first, let's open Skull Panda Image of Reality. So, wala pa akong anything from this collection. Yan siya. But I kind of want the constraint. This one. She looks like a mermaid. So cute. Anything really is cute. Yeah. Oh, this one's cute too. Ang cute nito. That's so cute! And meron siyang parang yung pang-wind sa likod. Okay, so is it really wind up? Holy! It's really... Oh my god. Ang OA ko. But ang cute, sobra! Gumagalaw. Next, we have the Powerpuff Girls Cry Baby. And ito yung choices. So, I want all Powerpuff Girls. Ayoko ng mga ibang characters. So, hopefully, oh my god, hopefully talaga. Okay. Let's open them. Little baby. Hi. Powerpuff Girls. Sana Powerpuff Girl, please. What? It's Buttercup! My YouTube channel logo is Buttercup. Ang OA!
Happy birthday
Wish granted. Thank you. Let's unbox. Thank you. Ay, ito pala muna. So, ano yung mga luwa? Ice cream. Huwag natin tignan yung card. Parang excited. Wala, ang tangkad niya pala. Choose mo. Choose reveal. Wow.
Baliktad. Baliktad.
Ay, cute! Blondie.
Ay, sakto yun dun sa ano.
Strawberry vanilla. Sorry.
Wait. Wala ko strawberry vanilla.
Si Poppy Ice Cream Parlor.
Cute. Thank you. Picture.